What's up guys, so we're here. So for this video, we'll have a quick look at this Toyota Wigo TRD S na automatic. So, right off the bat, let's start with the front. So, yung harap niya, it has a different grille compared to your Wigo G and yung lower trims pa, no? And then, let's start with the headlight. You actually get a halogen here, and then you have projector type. I'm not sure kung ano yung high beam dyan tsaka low beam, but that's what you get. And then your signal light here. I'm not sure kung may DRL siya dito, but that's with your headlight. It also comes with a halogen fog light. And then yan, your gloss mesh grille up here. And then let's go to the sides. You actually have a repeater on your side mirror and body colored na, same with your door handles. And with the wheels, we have 14-inch na 175/65R 14. And then yung natin pala, meron siyang dito yung mga skirts. So sa front bumper, side skirt, same goes with the back part. Ano? Alright, so that's for the side. Going here at the back, you have a TRD spoiler. And then rear wiper. You also got a third brake light there. Tapos may TRD S ulit. And etong nagustuhan ko sa Wigo, yung pagkaka-integrate nila ng rear camera. No? So yung mga previous model ng Wigo, wala silang rear camera. Ito, nilagyan na nila. So tago siya dito sa ilalim ng logo, ano. So malinis yung pagkaka-implement ng rear cam. And then your usual badging, pero ito may TRDS na badging. And then blackout or smoke kung tawag nila, na rear combination lights. Pero yung lower part ay reflectorized na brake light or signal light saka reverse light. Then you also got backup sensors. Yan. So yeah, that's the exterior. Let's get into the interior, ano. Alright, so for the interior of the Wigo, surprisingly, medyo maluwag siya. So I'm a 170 centimeter tall guy, and I could easily get in here. And you're greeted with your steering wheel na may infotainment control, ano. So yan, volume up, volume down, tapos panglipat mo or pang select mo, and then yung mode ng infotainment mo, pang switch into radio or whatnot. Then you have your controls for your side mirrors, push start, ayan. And then your controls for windows and yung window locks. So yeah, automatic lang yung sa driver side mo. Then you also get a leather, hindi pala leather, cloth lang siya, pero wala siyang padding for your sidings. Then the rest, hard plastic. Tapos may parang gunmetallic lang na accent sa may armrest. So for your gauge, you still get analog, pero may maliit siyang na digital dito sa gilid. Sana nakikita nyo. Ito natin dinidisplay yung odometer mo tsaka yung mga trip A, trip B na reading. So let's head into the infotainment or center console. You actually get I think 7-inch ata to, kung di ako nagkakamali. Parang same dun sa BIOS nila, no? So not much. Tapos ito yung climate control mo. Ito parang almost piano black, or hindi siya totally piano black pala. Parang gloss lang siya na dark gray yung finish niya, no? Pero feeling ko medyo scratch magnet pa rin siya. So yeah, hazard button there, climate controls here. So I think single lang siya, hindi siya hot and cold. And then down here you have, not sure kung ano tong knob na to, but let's leave it there. You have two cup holders here, and then your lever, no? So parang medyo mababa lang para sa akin, but you could reach it. So that's your automatic transmission. Then going down further the center aisle, your handbrake, tapos may maliit lang na cup holder para sa rear passenger. And then your glove box and airbags. So I think wala siyang side curtain airbag, front and driver lang sa pagkakaalam ko, ano, basing on what I am seeing currently. So your seats are cloth, tapos may design yung gitna, ano. So I'm not sure kung makikita niyo yan, but that's the cloth seats. also get your interior lamp here. Unfortunately, wala siya sa gitna, so nag-iisang ilaw lang to dito sa loob, yung ceiling light mo. And then, I think ito, dash cam. Yeah, it looks like a dash cam. So that's basically what's in front dito sa harapan. No? So let's go to the back part ng interior. Alright, so sa back part, that's my driving position. Surprisingly, napakaluwag din dito sa likod. Ano? Hindi rin masyado mababa yung upuan mo dito. And tingnan mo yan, no? Parang alas 3 dangkal pa or 3 fisko pa yung pagitan ng tuhod ko tsaka sa front seats. Ano? At pagdating naman sa headroom o headspace, mga isa at saka 1/4 na fist. So mga 1 fist lang actually. So ulitin ko lang, 170 cm tall guy ako. Display ko lang dito input yun. So actually maluwag, tapos yun may mga grab handles ka dito. And of course yung driver side lang yung wala. And then your seat belts, and meron din dito actually nakatabon ko ata. But pretty that's what's in the back of this Wigo TRD S. Tapos yun yung cup holder na pinon ko kanina. Yun nga lang, meron pa siyang center tunnel dito na medyo mataas. So you could just comfortably sit 2 persons here at the back. Tapos yung sidings mo, unfortunately wala na dito yung cloth na accent. It's just all plastic. Tapos yung parang gun metallic na accent dito. But you get your speakers there as well. So that's pretty much it in the back part of this Toyota Wigo TRD S. And then for the boot space, mabubuksan mo lang siya via a lever on the front left side ng driver seat. Ano? So your patungan here, pwede ka maglagay ng mga light na gamit. And then cargo space, pretty decent. Pwede ka maglagay ng maliliit na maleta. No? Isa lang, I think, ang magkakasya. Tapos yung isa, mukhang hindi magkakasya pag nakatayo. But yeah, isang maliit lang na maleta, magkakasya. Pero I think you could put like more than 6 grocery bags here. But parang estimate ko lang yun. But that's pretty much it with the boot space of the Toyota Wigo TRD S. Yan. And then before I forget to mention, pwede mong itupi itong rear seats. So may lock yan magkabilaan if you need more space for your cargo. Yan. And then may ISOFIX tethers din siya. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the Toyota Wigo TRD S Automatic. And then of course, let's not forget its engine. Ano? So ito ay 3-cylinder na 1 liter. So maliit lang siya. So very perfect for city driving. So it produces 66 horsepower and then 89 Newton meters of torque. So pretty enough na siya for city driving. So this Toyota Wigo TRD 80 or TRD S is priced at 705,000 pesos. Alright guys, so that's it for our quick look around dito sa Toyota Wigo TRD S. Ano? So if I miss out, sorry guys, pero mabilis ang tingin lang to or look around sa Toyota Wigo na to. Ano? So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that we'll have more content in the future. No? So once again guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next vid. Alright.